Hi, my name is Coutinho and I work in the space of integrative and lifestyle medicine. With so much of fear and so much of anxiety and uncertainty around us, how do we cope with this? The first thing, we reassure ourselves that we're going to get through this somehow or the other, because if we don't have hope, we stop to live immediately, or we're living but we're dead inside. So hope keeps us moving from one moment to another, one day to another. We keep watching the news. We keep looking at WhatsApp forwards, newspapers, social media, people's opinions. Most of them are not even backed. And our fears build more and more. Our minds are fragile. Yes, we know there's a problem. We know it's dangerous. We know it's taking lives. We know people are suffering through this. That's about all we need to know. We don't need to know anything more than that, except what we should be doing. Fear and anxiety builds up in us when we stay stuck in the emotion. We don't move to action. What can we do? So much of information, but what are you doing? There are many things that people can do in order to bring down the stress and anxiety. Besides the fact, if you have your health, how can you help someone else right now, even in the smallest way possible? Go and do that, okay, to distract your mind. Are you eating well? Are you sleeping well? Are you exercising? Even 30 minutes? Are you taking care of your emotional wellness? Because we know if we're not doing this, our own immune systems are compromised. Science tells us that. But we're not doing it, so our fear and anxiety is more and more. But talk to someone who's working out, eating well, all of that. They'll have a little bit of anxiety and fear, but there's that little strength in them because they know they're looking after themselves. Any fear and anxiety can be handled in 3 ways. What are the facts? Get your facts. A lot of fears are caused by half-baked knowledge, half-baked information. First, get your facts. Number 2, analyze these facts. Okay, this is the problem. This is how serious it is. Number 3, what action can I take? The smallest action of you staying home is good enough. The smallest action of you wearing a mask is good enough. The smallest actions of you beginning to change your lifestyle so you boost your immunity naturally is something that's powerful. And when you start to do it, these little actions help you to reduce stress and anxiety. I'd like to end by telling you, anxiety and fear has never solved anyone's problems. It's not going to solve yours either. It's a survival mechanism. It's an emotion that triggers us to action. If we don't take action, we remain a victim. So the important thing is to move to action. Connect within, not outwards.